Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change picture quality on WhatsApp to send better looking photos every time. First of all, open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen to open the menu. From there, select settings. Now, tap on storage and data. This section includes options related to data usage and media quality. Scroll down a bit and you'll see an option called media upload quality. Tap on it and you will be given two options, standard quality and HD quality. By default, it's usually set to standard quality, which means WhatsApp decides the quality based on your connection. If you want to make sure your photos are sent in the best possible resolution, choose HD quality. This setting uses more data but preserves more detail in your pictures when you send them. After selecting HD quality, tap Save to save your changes. Now, whenever you send a photo, it will be uploaded in higher quality than before. And that's it. Now you know how to change picture quality on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.